guys, it's Brooke with WTI. I've been searching for something to contain not only my children, but also their toys. And I have found the perfect one with this BlueWood 8-paneled play yard. My favorite feature is the panels that have the activities in them. Both of my sons love them, even though one of my sons is much older than the age for this. He absolutely loves playing with these panels on this. Assembly was very easy, but definitely look at the instructions. I thought I knew what I was doing, and it is very simple, but I did miss one crucial step. So make sure you look at the instructions, even though it is very simple. There are 2 safety latches, so I like that because just in case one of them somehow gets undone, the other one will still hold it closed. The height is perfect. My 1-year-old is constantly trying to get out of things, and he for sure tries, but he cannot get out. I really like that when you do want to put it away, if you don't want it to be out, all of the pieces do fold flat and it doesn't take up that much space at all. No matter what your reason for looking for a play yard, whether you're looking to contain toys or children or both, I highly recommend this one from BlueWood. It is super easy to put together, it looks really nice, and these play panels are so much fun. We love it, and I think you will too, and that's my point of view.